I believe the power of education. Without education, good education, I wouldn't be here in front of you and sharing this my work so far. For a kid belongs from a small village of Jharkhand and then with a family background of non-matric parents and 4 sibling brothers. It was hard, but because of good education, I am here and sharing with you all what millions of other students can get benefit of. Very first, what is Buddy for Study? Buddy for Study is a platform where we are trying to connect all school students and college students to the relevant scholarships. Buddy for Study is basically one scholarship information portal where we are trying to bring all scholarship opportunities information on one place. Our mission is to aware them on right time so that more and more applications should go to the scholarship providers. Very first, Buddy for Study is the first platform to create such thing. So at the start, we were not having any information source for us. So it was a bit challenge for us to aggregate such information or even to ourselves educate ourselves, aware ourselves about the opportunities. The first thing was the information awareness, information availability. Second, the challenge we face is the technology part. I am a marine engineer and that time I was not having any concept how a website works. So at present, we are a scholarship information dissemination platform. We want to make a end-to-end solution for scholarship providers as well as for the scholarship seekers, where scholarship seekers don't have any problem to get the information on time. On the other side, the scholarship providers should have a platform from where they can design the whole process and how to promote themselves directly into the right kind of audience.
Important and very interesting category, e-education, learning and employment. South Asia is the largest youth market in the world and this is one of the most important areas of using technology.
The Buddy for Study website was launched in 2011-12 to increase awareness about scholarships and fellowship opportunities. It is now a comprehensive scholarship information portal which brings together students who seek scholarships and educational institutions, NGOs, foundations, etc. who give scholarships. So far it has acquired more than 1,000 subscribers for its SMS alert service.
Next one, Buddy for Study. Buddy for Study, please come up on stage. Buddy for Study is the largest scholarship assistance matchmaking portal in India. They've given grants to, they've helped students get scholarship to the tune of 75,000 students, something 50 something lakhs, some very good numbers of success. Buddy for Study, scholarship information and matchmaking portal. And you also can say one word.
For a smiling India.
For a smiling India. Very nice. Thank you. There's a kind of
Buddy for Study is basically one scholarship information portal where we are trying to create awareness among students, teachers and parents so that they can apply for as many scholarships available for them. So Buddy for Study started like creating a repository of scholarship first, then notifying them on right time. Okay, when this scholarship has come and now you need to apply for them. So we started SMS alert service, email alert service. Then once it is done, then if a student want to apply for any scholarship, then Buddy for Study is coming out and helping them out in the application process.